How to change bank account on Braintree. So go to the Braintree website and log in to your Braintree account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Braintree control panel. This is where you can manage your account settings. In the control panel, look for a section called Settings or Account Settings. This is where you will find options related to your account configuration. There should be an option related to your bank accounts or payout information. Click on that option to view or edit bank details. Locate the bank account you want to change and select the option to edit or update the details. Braintree may ask you to verify the changes to ensure the security of your account. Follow any additional steps or verification process required. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.